In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block ads on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. The first step, open up the Facebook app. Once the Facebook app is open in front of you, right here, then go to the menu. After clicking, the menu will be open in front of you, and on the menu at the top of that section, you will see a gear button. Click on it. After clicking, settings will open in front of you. On settings, stop at the magnifier glass and then search for ads. That will show you ad preferences. You can easily get into it, and then all you have to do is just tap ad settings. After clicking, ad settings will be open in front of you, and then just click on categories used to reach you. After clicking here, you can configure which ads will be shown to you based on your personal data. So, you can easily turn on or off using any types of that personal data by hitting the switcher. Also, you can scroll down a bit and tap on other categories, and then you can hit see all categories. And then also, you can remove any category from that list if you don't want to see ads based on this data. Let's say frequent travelers. I can hit remove next to it, and that will immediately remove that data. Also, if you change your mind, you can hit undo. And in the same way, you can easily remove any data from here simply by hitting the remove buttons. That's how you can easily block ads on Facebook.